Hi, my beauties. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into the mesmerizing world of makeup with a twist. We're embracing the bold and the beautiful. Orange Allure. A radiant makeup look that's perfect for adding a pop of color to your day. For those of you who are new here, I'm Jan Benham, your go-to guide for all things beauty and makeup. I'm so excited to share this look with you because it's all about stepping out of the comfort zone and finding beauty in unexpected places. There's something enchanting about the allure of orange, a color so vibrant, yet surprisingly versatile. Today I'm diving into the warmth and glow of this stunning shade, bringing it into every part of my makeup routine. I begin by defining the brows, creating a subtle frame for the face, like the first strokes on a blank canvas. And then I apply foundation, but only on one side. And here the magic begins. The transformation is subtle but striking. And then adding a little mineral yellow corrector brightens those delicate areas beneath the eyes, erasing the signs of fatigue. I then cover these imperfections with mineral foundation, giving the skin a flawless, natural finish. Now, as I contour, the face gains depth, the features enhanced with just a sweep of color. Orange blush graces the cheeks, a whisper of warmth that radiates from within. And a touch of highlighter at the cheekbones adds a hint of sparkle, like sunlight dancing on the skin. The difference is clear, yet soft, an undeniable glow. With the base complete, I move to the other side, bringing it up to match, blending and perfecting every detail. Next, I introduce the eyes to a new depth with my bronzer eye casual pencil, sweeping it across the lids and underneath the eyes. Blending it seamlessly for that sultry, smoldering look. Then I add the star of our show, Orange Allure eyeshadow. It's the same hue as the blush, creating a harmonious balance that ties the look together. I blend it gently, letting the color melt into the skin, accentuating the eyes with warmth and vibrancy. A soft brown casual pencil adds definition, tracing the lash line and bringing intensity to the gaze, which I soften by blending. A touch of nude highlighter just under the brows lifts and brightens the eyes. And to finish, I revisit the brows, ensuring every detail is perfect. I then add a touch of highlighter to the upper cheekbones, to the inner eyes, in the middle of the eyelid, just to add a little touch of glamour. And now for the lips. A bold stroke of orange liner sets the stage. Followed by the smooth application of our orange lipstick. The result is unexpected yet delightful. Although I'm cool-toned, the orange works like a charm, bringing warmth to my complexion without overwhelming it. I do hope you liked this tutorial. If you have any questions, please do contact me at janbenham@gmail.com. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.